Welcome. In this video, you learn how to get RSI values from the system in MQL5 programming language. Alright, let's get started. The only change we need to do is maybe to adjust the on-take functions. These other things remain constant. And what we need to do, let's for example, is to make the RSI handle. This enables us to get the values from the system. So I could say int RSI handle. That means small letters. RSI handle is going to be equal to RSI. You see, they're giving me values to fill in. Of course, we need for the current symbol and the current time frame. The period, we could use period 5. The applied price is we're going to use gross prices, and that's it. So if we want to maybe get the values to compute later on, we need to make an array. An array is like a table to store the values, and then we first arrange our array, and then we copy the values from the handle into the array so that we can be able to make computations. Let's say, for example, the RSI is just crossing above a given level or crossing below a given level, like 20, and that's it. So what you need to do is, first of all, to create the array. We need to make an array. So we're going to call it RSI array. All right. And this will store the values. So for example, first of all, to store the values in this array, we are going to first rearrange the array. We're going to use array set as series. We're going to get the iris array, and we're going to set true. That's it. And then the next thing is to copy the values into this array. Copy buffer. We're going to copy from the RSI handle. We're going to use the current value. The starting position is also 0, and then the number of values you're copying, we're going to copy the last 3 RSI values, and then we are going to copy them into the RSI array, and that's it. So for example, if we want to check, for example, if our RSI value has just crossed above the 80 level, all right, we can say, for example, if our RSI array, the current one, if the current one is greater than 80, and let me separate them on different lines, and the previous one was below 80, all right, if these are conditions, we can say we could comment the RSI has just crossed above the 80 level, and that's it, right? And that's it. So a simple summary is that we said RSI, we just created an RSI handle using the RSI function, filled in the values, and then we create an array for storing these the values. For example, we want to make computations, then we first arrange the RSI array, and then we copy the values from the handle to the RSI array. All right, that's it.